You looking for your dummy? Looking for your dummy? There you go, my darling. Time to wake up, my darling. Time to wake up. Pretty girl. Pretty girl. Time to wake up. Look at you sitting on your side. Say good morning, Nana. Good morning, Nana. Good morning, my Nana's in Perth and New Zealand. Good morning. Say good morning. Good morning, my princess. The big stretch. Good morning. Oh, there's Daddy with your big frowns. Oh, there's Mummy with your big smiles. You've just started to really suck your hand, haven't you, my darling? I think you might be teething soon. Hey, sweetheart. Pretty girl. Pretty girl. He's ticklish on your tummy. Pretty girl. Hi. Say hi, Nana. Hi, Nana. Hi. Hi, Nana. This way. This way so Nana can see you. Hi. Hi, Nana. Hi, my Nanas. I love you and I miss you both so much. Can talk? Talkies. You're just snorting. Snorting. Oh, you're doing poos now. Hey? Happy. Happy. Pretty girl. Bee. 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 Blushy. Say, look, Nana, I need a haircut. Look how long my hair is. My hair's just a menace, isn't it? Got a menace hair. Oh. And you're getting so big and long. 11 weeks old and you're so big. Oh. The big yawn. The big yawn. Say ta-ta. Bye. Love you. Bye. Bye. Love you. Love you. Say bye. Ta-ta. 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 Love you.